Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the timer. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new timer. The main reason you'd be changing out the timer is if any of the contacts inside the timer burned out, or if the motor shorted out and is no longer advancing the timer. First thing we have to do to remove the timer is take the knob off. All you have to do is pull it straight off the timer shaft. In order to get the part out, we have to remove the access panel on the rear of the control panel. Once you have all the screws out, you can just lower the panel down and it should hang there on its own. First thing we have to do to take the timer out is remove the two mounting screws. Then we can pull the timer out and take the wires off. Sometimes the wires are on very tight, so you can take a small screwdriver and just help pop them off. This one comes in a terminal block, all three wired together. If you can't get it off, just put the screwdriver underneath it on each side and kind of twist it and work it up. Here's the old timer next to the new timer. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, we have to rehook up the wires to the new timer. This little tab on the wiring harness right here was on the outside. So to push it on, all you have to do is line it up and seat the wires. The three wires that were across the top of the timer are all color-coded. You got V for violet, OR for orange, and WB for white-black. Once you have all the wires hooked up, we can remount the timer back in the control panel. When you put the timer back in, there's the hole for the timer shaft, and these two round holes are where these two little nubs lock the timer into place. So when you push it in, the timer should lock on those two holes and nubs, and it'll be lined up. Once you have it in, you can go ahead and put the screws back in. Now that we're done with the repair, we can lift the access panel back into place and put the screws back in. Now that we have the timer installed, we can put the knob back on. It has a flat on the knob and a flat on the shaft. All you have to do is line those up and push it on. Now that we're done repairing the appliance, we can plug it back in and take it for a test spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.